Koenigsegg is a Swedish manufacturer of high-performance sports cars that has been credited with some of the most exciting designs to hit automotive since its founding in 1994. And its latest does not disappoint. New reports claim that a recent test of the Koenigsegg Jesko actually resulted in a world record. The vehicle was already known for being one of the fastest production cars of all time, but not the fastest. That's because the vehicle's 0 to 60 has been outpaced by others, specifically the Rimac Nevera, which CarScoop says has the Jesko beat from a standstill. In this instance, however, Jesko was able to showcase its acceleration capabilities at high speeds. After hitting 62 miles per hour in a respectable 2.79 seconds, the vehicle started to show off. Using its 1,600 horsepower in exclusively rear-wheel drive, the vehicle could sprint from 62 to 124 in just 2.74 seconds and requires just 3.96 seconds to get from there to 186 miles per hour. CarScoop says this drove the Jesko to a breathtaking 8.88 seconds for a quarter mile and a half-mile time of just 13.27 seconds. The report noted that footage shared by company founder Christian von Koenigsegg showcased the vehicle's impressive launch control system, performing the feat with little smoke and hardly any wheel spin. As far as competition within the segment of actual production hypercars, it seems the Jesko is leaving the previous record holder at high speeds in the dust. That title once went to the Regera, another speed demon built by, you guessed it, Koenigsegg. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.